Well, it's been a really interesting event. I mean, I've learned a terrific amount. It's a really exciting sort of energy in the room, lots of solutions, lots of great thinking as well.
XDC Network is the only member of ITFA providing a layer 1 network.
But when it comes down to priorities, I think it really boils down to quite simple things. We need more transactions between lenders, financial institutions, companies, more use cases and case studies that we can show others and get them mobilized and motivated around this massively exciting opportunity to digitalize trade.
And of course, when these documents are created, which can be verified by anyone, then the funding becomes much, much easier.
We built Fathom as a decentralized liquidity protocol on XDC. So what you can do, you can come with your assets. These can be native crypto assets, or these can be tokenized real-world assets, or real-world assets issued directly on chain. Deposit them into our protocol and borrow against that. It also comes with a stable coin, so you can borrow a stable coin as well. This is a over-collateralized US dollars backed stable coin. And our ambition for the stablecoin is really for the stablecoin to be the base currency of the XDC trade network. So all liquidity pools and trading pairs can and should be and will be denominated against FXD, which is our US dollar stablecoin.
TradeTech is making trade finance investable, and it helps through providing liquidity from institutional investors and other retail investors all the way channels it to corporates that are underserved currently. What we do is we are tokenizing trade finance and making therefore more liquidity available to underserved corporates. The tokenization is particularly powerful because it not just creates real-time trading experience, it also creates fractional access to the asset class. And of course, it's very low cost. The XDC network is just a very efficient way, a very efficient rails to make this reality.
Basically, what we're trying to do is use the technology of blockchain along with the traditional asset of gold, bring it together to create something which makes gold accessible to everybody. So blockchain is the new thing in town where it allows it to be decentralized and accessible to a lot of broader community. So we're trying to make gold fungible, flexible and liquid so that it gets access to everybody out in the business world.
My big message overall is if we're not doing it now, when are we doing it? I think it's now. All the right people are in the room, and it's just an enormous opportunity for trade and finance overall.